guys, we are going to look at ELA, which is all of day 17. So the first thing that you're going to do is says replace on page 35. Replace each word in parentheses with a synonym. Remember, synonyms, same. So words that mean the same or very similar. I'm going to be honest with you. Yesterday I was writing an email and I was trying to figure out some synonyms myself. All you have to do is go to thesaurus.com and they will give you some, or you can just type in Google synonyms for what word. So the words that you're going to do here, they're all the same. Said. You're going to find different synonyms for said. You're going to find or use 6 examples of that. You're not going to use the same one every time. So the example they give you, the man said, well, he yelled, watch out for that bee. Okay, could I have said, the man whispered, watch out for that bee? Watch out for that bee. Do you think that guy's whispering? No. He's got an exclamation mark there. That means that he is full of excitement and that there's some enthusiasm in that sense. So make sure that you find a synonym, a word that means the same as said or similar to said, that matches with the sentence. You don't want to put one that doesn't match. Okay, the next part is every dictionary page has guide words at the top. I don't know, you guys haven't used a ton of dictionaries. We've had them and we've used them. But when you're trying to find if your word that you're looking up is going to be on that page, we look at the guide words up at the top. And those guide words will tell us all of the words alphabetically that are between these 2 words will be on this page. So then you can find out if you're on the right page. So they tell the first word on the page and the last word on the page. So alphabetically, all the words that are in between alphabetically will be on that page. So write each word in alphabetical order under the correct guide words. So the first words they give you, the first word on that page is going to be aardvark, A-A-R-D, V-A-R-K. And then the last word is Afghan. So anything that's got A-A, A-B, A-C, A-D, A-E, and A-F-G, AFG are going to be on that page. If the word was AFH, that's going to be on another page because they only have it up to Afghan. Well, AFGHB would be on the next page. Though I don't think that's a word. But that's how you're going to find it. I want you to start with the first letter of each word. And if it's all A's, then you're going to go to that next one. So for example, AA, are there any more AA words there? No. Are there any AB words? Check for that. And after you found all the AB words and you have them in alphabetical order, you're going to see if there's any AC words, AD words. So you're going to go in order as you're doing that. So AA, AB, AC, and make sure that they're in the correct order to the next letter. And then day 17, page 36, is read the passage, then answer the questions. So, Arachne the Weaver. Are you ready for Arachne the Weaver? I'm going to have you read that. I'll read it. It's got some different words in there. So, I'll read it today. And then we're going to read it the first time, then we read the questions, then we go back and reread. So long ago in Greece, there lived a young girl whose name was Arachne. All she cared to do from morning until night was to spin and weave. And oh, how fine were the things she wove. One day, a stranger appeared by her side and asked, "Did Athena, queen of the air, teach you to spin and weave so well? Can she weave goods like mine? I should like her to see her try," Arachne scoffed. She looked up and saw a woman wrapped in a long cloak. "I am the goddess Athena," said the woman, "and I have heard your boast. Do you think you can spin and weave as well as I?" "Yes," replied Arachne. "Then we shall have a contest," said Athena. "If your work is best, then I will weave no more. But if my work is best, then you shall never use a loom again." The two women set to weaving. Arachne was soon ashamed when she saw the beauty of Athena's work. "How can I live," she cried, "now that I may never spin again?" Athena took pity on the girl. She changed Arachne into a nimble spider. Ever since that day, spiders keep busy from morning until night, weaving beautiful webs. So you're going to answer the questions 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's go over the questions, and then you're going to go back, reread, and find the answers, okay? An origin myth explains how something came to be. What does this origin myth reveal? Or explain, I'm sorry. What does it explain? Number 10, how are Arachne and Athena similar, and how are they different? Number 11, what does the word scoffed mean in the story? That's a context clue. Look around in that sentence, look around the surrounding sentence if you can't find what you think that definition is in that sentence. And then number 12, the story of Arachne is a Greek myth. Find another example of a Greek myth. What similarities does it have to the story of Arachne? So you are going to reread and start looking for those answers. Remember, you're a text detective. Find the evidence. Don't just guess. All right, I'll see you for day 18.